Hi stamping friends, this is Sandy from Stamped Impression, and today we're going to look at a few tips for using your Stampin Seal, which is the double-sided adhesive offered by Stampin Up. It comes in a dispenser, or you use it in a dispenser, and inside there's a cartridge or a refill. The cartridge is made of two wheels with a clear plastic tape runner, and the adhesive lies on the plastic. So as you work, the plastic tape goes from one wheel to the other as you advance, and it deposits the adhesive on your cardstock. I know that sounds complicated. Let's just look at it and see how it works. It's much simpler to see. So here's a piece of cardstock, and my unit fits nicely in my hand. I should say it comes with a little plastic cap, which of course I've already lost, but you don't really need it. It's not so critical. So the bottom of this dispenser is fairly flat, and that's a good reminder that when you work with it, you should be holding it fairly low, not up at a sharp angle, which I know is hard to see in the camera, but rather low to the cardstock. And with a gentle roll, you just move it across your cardstock. And listen, it's very quiet. Some tape runners are a lot noisier. Now here's the critical thing. When you work, when you lift off at the end, you continue in the same direction that you were applying the adhesive. There's no twisting or lifting up or going backwards. The thing with this adhesive, it's continuous, so that when you stop, you're actually breaking it, but you don't want it to break and then sort of go back onto the inside on that plastic. You want it to stay near the edge so you can work on your next piece. Sometimes it doesn't start quite where you want it. If you look, I don't know if you can see here, some of these started like an inch down. If you're working and the adhesive is not coming out, one of the things you can do is go to your craft mat, just move it for ½ an inch. It will advance the plastic strip, whoops, and your adhesive will roll perfectly. Another way to get that adhesive going is to start or catch it on existing adhesive. So here I would put adhesive on all four sides of my cardstock. So I would go down one side and lift off and turn it. Start on the adhesive and it will catch. Whoops. And fourth side, and there you can see 4 sides of adhesive. Pretty cool. I'd also wanted to show you something about changing your adhesive. The refill, they come in individual packs, so you pull out. This refill doesn't need to be changed, but I just wanted to show you how you would do it. So you unclick it to take it apart, and then you just pull out the old cartridge, the old refill, and you would, if it was empty, you would toss it. Now I just want to say, often adhesive will gunk up in this corner. Whenever I change my adhesive, I always take a pair of tweezers and I just pull off the excess glue, because that does catch, and that's part of what messes up your rolling. The cartridge has a big hole and a little hole in the two wheels. There are 2 X's, 2 spools you would put it on. Obviously the big hole goes on the big X and the small one on the small. Click it together, give it a start, and you are ready to go. And that's it for today. So if you found this tip useful, be sure to give me a thumbs up on this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for joining me. Have a great day.